Imagine creating stunning 3D animated stories without spending a dime. Just like this.
On the edge of a quiet town, in a little house with a rooftop full of plants, lived Jaden, a curious boy who loved the stars. Every night he would lie on the roof with his old telescope, staring at the shimmering sky, imagining what the stars would say if they could talk.
Welcome, Jaden. We've been waiting for someone like you.
Jaden's heart pounded with excitement.
Imagine bringing your ideas to life with realistic characters, dynamic movements, and cinematic visuals, all using free AI-powered tools. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're a storyteller, content creator, or just someone who wants to explore animation, this tutorial will break everything down, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own 3D AI animated story for free. The first step is to generate story ideas, and to do this, you head over to Chatgpt and ask Chatgpt to generate 10 story ideas for an engaging kids animated video, and then you click on send. And in response to that, Chatgpt will generate 10 engaging story ideas for you. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and ask it to generate more. Now this takes us to step 2, which is to create the complete story. Now you're going to pick any of the story of choice, any of the story idea generated for you. Just copy it with the summary it gives. In my own case, I'm using this story topic, this story idea, and this is the summary it gave me in addition to that. And I'm putting out this prompt: create a complete story using the story idea. So this is the story summary, and then I'll say make this story very interesting and engaging. You can pause this video so you can write out this particular prompt and listen. Right now, I'm going to click on send. So just go ahead and click on send, and as you can see, this is the response I got from Chatgpt. The boy who could talk to stars. You will get a response according to your story topic. As you can see, Chatgpt gave me the stories scene by scene. So just in case your own response didn't come this way, just edit your prompt, add it in your prompt, ask it to generate the story scene by scene. All right, so I have this response, as you can see, scene by scene. Scroll down to the end of the story and you see this copy. Click on copy, open a new tab, open Google Docs, click on blank document, then you paste your story. So here you can go through it. If you want to take off any part, you can decide to take off any part. If you want to add, you can add any part, just to make it unique. Now the next step is for us to generate the visual prompt for the story, and we're going to ask Chatgpt to do so for us. In the prompt box, kindly paste this particular prompt. Create the character and costume details for each scene in the story. Then write prompts for each scene such that the characters are consistent in their outfit, hairdo, facial look, and the likes. And it should be in 3D style and pixel format. Like I said earlier, you can pause this video and write out this prompt so it will be easier for you to model it. Click on this. Now you send. And as you can see, it has generated the prompts which we are going to use to generate the image. Alright, and the main idea is to have the character consistency in terms of the hairdo, the facial look, the the costume, and the likes. Now we have them scene by scene. We have scene 1, a kid from the sky, and it gives us this prompt. Now you're going to copy this prompt. Just copy the whole prompt for this scene. Just scroll down to the end of the prompt and you copy. I head over to the Google Docs area that you pasted your story. Paste the prompts so you can easily have access to it. You can copy and paste it. And the next step is for us to generate the images for this story. To do so, we head over to this website and we click on create video. Here in the prompt box, you're going to go back to your Google Docs. You're creating the visuals for each scene. And so for scene 1, just copy it right as you have it in your Google Docs. Go back to this website and paste it right here. And you click on create. So now look at this part. You can see here that this part is enabled. So when you enable it, your prompt will be more refined into a more detailed description as done by this website. If you want it to be exactly as it is with your prompt, you can just disable it. For me, I left it enabled. And then for this part, you can insert camera movement at multiple points via the cursor. Because we are using the free version and just want to go straight to the point, let's just leave it as it is. This website gives about 1,000 free credits on signing up. I have used my credit to 70, right? That's what you are seeing here. And your first generation is usually fast. Your second generation may take some time, like you can see from here. It says I have to wait for 36 minutes just because I'm using the free version. If you don't want to wait, you may need to subscribe, and pay for the premium. Now, you may not need to wait for your first generation to complete before you create the next one. So what I usually do is I just go to my docs where I have my prompts saved. I copy the next prompt and I come back here and paste it here. I just take off what I have here before and I paste the new one. Then I click on generate. So it will add that to the queue. As you can see, this is the first one, still waiting for it to be generated. I have the next one like that. Okay, and for each generation, you are charged 30 credits. I had 70. My first generation took 30. My next generation has taken 30. So I have 40 left. So I can do one more generation on this account. All right. Now you're going to do so. Copy, go to the next scene, and copy like that. Come back here and paste. Just leave it and allow it to do the generation. Even if you are off this page after then, it still does that on the background. For our video generation or visual generations, you can see mine is complete. I actually waited, I left it till the next day, and by the time I came here, I can see that it has generated the images for me. Okay, no, you can see the consistency in the characters here, especially the outfit. And you see the outfit here, same blue hoodie. The hairstyle, it may be a little bit different, but at least it's still in line with what we're trying to achieve. Now I'm going to go to the very first page. This is the very first image. I'll click on it. I'll click here and I'll ask it to download for free. I can just give it a folder. I give it a folder so I can know this is the image, video. Just name it visuals. I name it 1. That's the one. Then I scroll up to the second one. I download as well. I name it 2. So I'm going to do so for every other thing I have here. The next step is to generate the voiceover script for your story narration, and to do so for free, head over to this website, Elevenlabs.io, and then you create an account. If you have an account here, just click on get started for free. You'll be asked to sign up or log in with your email address. So I'm logged on already, as you can see. And on this website, you get 10,000 free credits on your new account for you to generate your audio. On that part where we have playground, just click on text to speech and you have this part open for you. Now, in my own case, I have 6,264 credits remaining. We'll go back to our Google Docs where we have our story. So we'll copy the first scene narration and we'll head over to Elevenlabs and we'll paste it right here. Okay, we'll paste the narration here. Then we'll come to this side where you have voice. We are going to choose the voice of choice. So you can use the Marshall tone character. Then you can just give it the features you want. You can search for voices. Just search for male voice. If you want to use a female voice, you do so. So we have different voices here. You can just test them, just play them to confirm how they sound.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
So you can go through the voices we have here. If you want a female voice, male voice, you can. If you want a cartoon voice, there's this particular one we have here. We have Marshall and
ladies and gentlemen,
and we also have this person here. So you can decide to choose any of them based on your choice. So once you have gotten what you want to use, just go ahead and select that. If you want the speed to be slower or faster, you can reduce it, you can make it faster. Then the stability, you can leave it as it is. Leave this one too as it is, as a similarity. Style exaggeration, just work, you try it out to see how it looks like. And once you have chosen that, you are okay, you can click on generate speech.
on the edge of a quiet town, in a little house with a rooftop full of plants, lived Jaden, a curious boy who loved the stars.
If you're okay with the narration, just go ahead and download it. On this part, you see download. Click on download and then you can save it on your device. Just give it the file name. You can say scene 1 and then you save. You go back to Google Docs and then you paste the second narration. So now go through your narrations. For each of the scene, you could have different voices. Now the narrator is the martial tone character. Now for this part of the story that says, "Welcome Jaden, whispered a silver blue star." Okay, so you can just copy this part. Just copy this, "Welcome Jaden." You know, it's a different sound we should get for this particular part. Now go to Elevenlabs and paste it here. Then choose a voice, maybe like a child or any voice that you know resonates with that particular scene. Now, I'm going to go for anyone here. You can just search for a child and I'm going to generate. And then I'm going to save it. You're going to do so for all the scenes. And then this takes us to the next step, to gather up all we have saved earlier, right from the visuals to the narrations and everything together in form of a full video. So to do this, we are going to be using this tool, Clipchamp.com, and then we click on try for free. So it will ask you some of these questions here. You can just go ahead and answer the questions. Then you have these. Now you click on create a new video. We're going to import all the stuff. Now go to the folder where you saved all the stuff. Now for the visuals, I have visuals. I'm just going to import all of them. Then I also import the narrations. Okay, so having done that, I'm going to drag the visuals. I'll start with the first one. So it's good to label them accordingly to make it easier. I have one. I start with one. I'll just import this. Import the next one onto the timeline. The third one, just put them on the timeline. Now, as you can see, the first visual is this. You can see that the first narration spans this long. So if you like, you can just reduce the speed. Just click on this particular one, the first scene, and then you reduce the speed so that it will go in line with the narration. Okay, so what I just did was you right click and then it will give you this. You right click, you click on more options and then to give it this. So on that, the speed, I'll reduce it. I'll reduce it and make sure it goes in line with the narration. So once I have that, I do so to the next scene. I just keep arranging like that. Any part of the video or audio you don't want, just tap on it and then right click, split, and you delete. I'm going to do this, I arrange them accordingly to fit. I'll arrange all to go in line with the storyline. Narration, then we're going to add background music to make it more interesting, to make it, more engaging. To get your background music, you can just go to Pixabay. We have non-copyright music on this website, or you go to YouTube Audio Library and look for. If you're using this for YouTube, if you're going to be creating your animations for YouTube, then you can just, go to YouTube Library and get your audio. So from here, you can just search for sound effects, click on sound effects, and then you search for cartoon. So anyone you like, just go ahead and download. Click on download here and save it on your system. Now go back to your editing tool and import that. You can just drag it to your timeline like this and right click on it. Click on more options and then you reduce the volume so it won't override your narration.
On the edge of a quiet town, in a little house with a rooftop full of plants, lived Jaden.
Once you're done, once you're satisfied with your editing, go ahead and export your video. Alright, so for free, it's able you export in high quality, which is this. You can save on your drive or just save on your computer, or you can upload directly from here to YouTube.
On the edge of a quiet town, in a little house with a rooftop full of plants, lived Jaden, a curious boy who loved the stars. Every night he would lie on the roof with his old telescope, staring at the shimmering sky, imagining what the stars would say if they could talk.
Welcome, Jaden. We've been waiting for someone like you.
Jaden's heart pounded with excitement. He spent the night chatting with the stars, learning their names, their secrets, and their stories. A soft, trembling voice caught his attention.
I'm scared.
Jaden adjusted the telescope and saw a small, glowing white star hovering nervously at the edge of a cosmic cloud.